Okay guys, welcome to my quick review of the Samsung Galaxy Watch 3. I've had a couple of the previous versions and this is definitely my favourite so far. It's the slimmest. This is the 46mm version in black, which I think is aesthetically really pleasing. Comes with a nice quality leather strap, otherwise really easy interchangeable. I'll show you the release mechanism for that. The swivel, nice, gives a little bit of haptic feedback as you go round. The new faces are well designed. My favourite feature, my favourite touch design wise, is just this little red band that goes around the home button there, and I think that just, it adds something. It's subtle, but it just really adds something to the watch. It's responsive. Battery life so far I've had 2 solid days out of. The lack of Google Assistant or Alexa integration for me, it just kills it. There's no way I'm using Bixby. I don't know who uses Bixby. I've never met anybody that uses Bixby. So having that as your digital assistant is just crazy, even if you're in the Samsung ecosystem. Otherwise, things that I like about the watch, it seems to pick up a pulse more quickly than on previous iterations, which is great. Comes with a small wireless charging pad. It will reverse charge against a device that can do so, which is great for that quick top up. The speaker is nice and loud and clear if you're into playing music or taking calls. Spotify integration works really well. It's a really good smartwatch. The downside is that it doesn't use Google Assistant, and that I think will be the defining factor for most people. I mentioned the release mechanism there for the straps. Really nice and simple. We'll take any 46mm standard strap. It's lovely. It's £450, however, so I don't know, you're either in the market for kind of sports watches and monitoring and GPS, and then you're looking at probably Garmin and Fitbit, or you're looking at something that's more of a fashion watch, in which case there's quite a few Wear OS options out there. I like it, but I don't think I'll be keeping it. Sorry, Samsung.